Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I am here to show you how you can download Trezor application on your Android smartphone, the safest cold storage wallet for crypto security and financial independence, as it is really easy to use, store and protect your bitcoins, and it is a place from where you can safely manage a crypto portfolio on the go. First of all, to download the app, you need to make sure that your Android smartphone has a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after making sure that your Android phone has a stable Wi-Fi connection, go on to your Play Store. And once you're at Play Store, on the search bar, search for Trezor. And after the result pops up, it is the application called Trezor Suite Lite. Tap on Trezor Suite Lite. And after you tap on Trezor Suite Lite, hit on install and the Trezor app would be installed on your Android smartphone. Give it some time, and considering your Wi-Fi connection speed, the app would be downloaded in your smartphone with a bit of time. As you can see, Trezor app has been installed on my Android smartphone. Now you can open the app and use it to your advantage on the crypto world. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more notification. Do drop a comment, as reviews are mostly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.